We're not judging Zimbabwe's elections by their own internal electoral law. We're judging Zimbabwe's elections by international standards for free, fair, and credible elections. We're using all kinds of criteria that have been set forth by the SADC principles for elections, by the EU, by other international bodies that say what a free, fair, and credible election should look like. So rather than worrying about what the letter of their law, although legal reforms, electoral reforms would be very helpful in making sure that Zimbabwe's elections comply with these international standards, what we're really measuring them by is the international standards, not the electoral reforms internally. So if the electoral reforms don't move forward, but the elections still live up to international standards, great. Then it would be a free, fair, and credible election by international standards.
What's your definition of international standards? What exactly are we?
Again, we're using multiple sources. There's not a single list that we're looking for, but a lot of the SADC principles, the EU principles for elections are two that come to mind. But we're looking at a number of standards for what exactly defines a free and fair and credible election, and just holding Zimbabwe to those international standards.